Welcome back everyone. In our last video, we learned the foundation of HTML forms. In today's video, we are going to take those basics and make our forms much more advanced by introducing specialized input fields. These are the tools that turn a simple login form into a professional, high-end user interface. First up is the text area. We use this single line text just isn't enough for a user response. For example, in the profile form, we are building a bio section using this tag. To set the height and width of the text area, we use the rows and calls attribute. You see this in the real world every time you write a product review or on a shopping site or a leave comment on a blog. It gives the user the space they need for a long form feedback. Next, I'll show you how to create a drop-down menu. Using the select tag, we create the container, and inside it we use a option tag to display the choices. Each option has a value that is sent to the server. A perfect real-world example is a country selector on a shipping address page or a language switcher. It's a great way to offer many choices without cluttering your design. Now let's look at input that accepts specific types of data. To create a field that accepts only a date, we define the type attribute as date. This is exactly how travel websites like Expedia or Airbnb let you select your check-in dates using a clean-up pop-up calendar. Similarly, we can create a color picker by defining the type as color. This allows the user to pick a specific shade from a visual color bar. You will see that used in profile customization settings where user can choose their own theme or text color. Then we have the range slider. Its creation is identical to the others. You just define the type as range. This allows user to set up a specific value by sliding a handle. In the real world, you'll likely use this on Amazon or Flipkart to filter products by a price range. In our form, we are using it to let users rate their skills level. Next, for allowing user to upload documents or images, we use a type is equal to file. This opens the user system storage to select a file. This is standard way website handle profile pictures, upload and resume submission for the job applications. Now let's talk about selection logic. To create radio buttons, we set the type to radio. These are used when a user must select only one item from a multiple choices. The classic example is a gender selection or choosing a subscription plan where you can only be basic, pro or elite. Finally, we have the checkbox. This is used for simple yes no response for selecting multiple items. In the real world, you'll see this at the bottom of almost every registration form by agreeing to the terms and conditions or subscribing to the newsletter. As we did in our form, it's created using the input tags with the type set to checkbox. That covers the most powerful advanced features of HTML forms. By including these, you can significantly increase the functionality and complexity of your web projects. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Make sure to turn on the bell icon because in our very next video, I'm going to show you how to include form validations to ensure user enters only the correct data. Until then, keep coding, keep learning. I'll see you in the next one.